Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Hey, wagwan, me there again, my people. Blessed is it. So, in pieces of videos that have been put together and posted on social media, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person accused a person who the person called his little brother or little brother of having sex with his daughter. But people, when it comes down to a situation like this now, I will not show any pictures of the accused, and I will not allow any names to be mentioned because of the type of situation we be. Yes, I said. So I got the understanding that the person said some words during a live recording. Please bear in mind that I'm not able to confirm if any words that have been said in the video or any words that I see in the video are accurate or even true pertaining to what the person was saying. But I got the understanding that the words that the person said caught the attention of some persons on social media. Look and listen to these pieces of videos for yourself. And viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
This morning, me get a call this morning. Say me look brother walk up a camp. I say I lie me a tell upon him and a rumor me a tell. Rumor me a spread. But everybody will know me. Everybody will know me and we know them. For years. Why now? More than I tell a lie for my little brother. Why no more than I tell a lie for my little brother? Cause I walk up, me get a call from one of my cousins them. And say a soldier up the call and to find out who are going. And hear say people, I say a lie. Him a walk and I tell the soldier them up there say a lie. Me a tell upon him and a rumor. Me a spread upon him. So, if I lie me a tell, why when time I confront him and ask him, say, how him to have sex with my daughter? Why immediately after that him block me? Why you block me if I lie me a tell? Why when time I say to my mother, and tell my mother say, yo, what kind of if you make have sex with my daughter? Why my mother only look upon me and tell me say she never did it when time it happened? Why she tell me, why she said that? If I lie me I tell, why she never deny it and say I lie, it never happened? She never deny it, she said she never did it when it happened. You see me? Una behave chin, which I'm a sister and my mother failing weekly, which I'm a brother. Una behave like say me not be talk. But what you do to my daughter? Una behave like say me not be talk. What you do to my daughter? Me not be say nothing about it. Me fi hear about it and me not be say nothing. You get me? I say una behave like say me not be say nothing and me not fi make people know. If I lie me I tell, and if I lie my daughter I tell.
Eh? What you say about daughter?
Yeah bro, respect. If I lie me I tell, why you don't deal with me? Why from me confront to no, why from me ear and me confront to no and make you know say me know what go on? Why you don't deal with me? From January the 16th till now, when time I day in the Bahamas, I'm a find out, I'm calling and make you know say me know. Why you not deal with me? If I lie me I tell, cause Brandon, you a walk over camp, walk up and down over camp and tell people say I lie me I tell and a rumor me I spread upon you. Why you block me after me tell you say me after me call you and tell you say me know what you do to my daughter? And me tell you say don't make me see you when time I come back to Jamaica. Why you block me after that? If I lie me I tell, why you block me after that? Why my mother block me? If I lie, me I tell. Why my mother block me if I lie, me I tell? And then Chinchi, I behave like say she tough. You know, you have to tell the people them say 2 days before me come back from foreign. You have to tell the people them say 2 days before me come back from foreign. My mother left Jamaica. 2 days before me come back from foreign, my mother left Jamaica. If you come the Monday and my mother left either the Saturday or the Friday. Because them know say me I come back to Jamaica. And them know say me not put up with me report it to Sissoko. But me I go up a camp now. Because I'm up a camp I talk about a lie me I tell.
This sounds serious.
I'm up a camp I walk around and I tell the rest of soldiers them say a lie. Me I tell. A rumor me I spread pan him on social media. Years people will know me and know them.
So really serious with you?
Know the type of love we have for them. So why now? Me would come and I tell a lie on you. Why now? Me no bad mind if you nothing. Me no envy you for nothing. So why now me don't come and tell a lie on you?
You sound serious with people.
Why you block me? Why mommy block me? Since as a lie. Me tell. Why you no block me? No man. You never expect me to find out. No, you never expect me to find out. And the thing say when me find out, I just have to keep it under wraps. Me not gonna say nothing about it. Up bro. Me not gonna say nothing about it. Me I go go over there. Me I leave work early today and go over there. You see me? But the reason why I come on live on Facebook, because I go live last night on TikTok. Most of the people let me there on Facebook. Don't. Me and them and a friend on TikTok. And I get a call this morning from one of my cousins saying that a soldier you would call him and I tell him say yo, him hear what go on and him not know who. So I try to find out who. And when time him find out who, him hear say, him a walk and tell everybody I can say him brother spread rumor upon him and lie. If I lie, me I tell, why you block me after me confront you? Why my mother block me? Why Chin a behave like say me not fi talk? Cause she a say she a cook. I talk about me a clown and she not care. And nobody can call her phone and read this and say me want to be seen. I want to be seen just because me I talk about what happened to my daughter, what I do to my daughter, I want to never protect my daughter, I want to never do the right thing. You say a lie me I tell. You have to remember little boy. You have to remember them call him upper camp and them call him. You have to remember say you did do it already. Remember say you did do it already to your next little niece. Them time they did young. You did a little boy, that's why you never got jail. Cause remember say booms, Melissa did report it. And you never got jail because you them say you're a minor. So a lie me I tell. A lie me I tell. And you remember you know, you feel, you go on like say, you dip on top of the world. And you feel like say, me is alone on this. You remember say people know what you do already. People know I mean, I tried from January the 16th till now, May the 13th. Me give you enough time for reach out to me. Me give you enough time for reach out to me and say, yo, bro, this one, and me sorry about it already, and give me the choice to make a decision on what to do. I wanna reach out to me, I wanna behave like say, you know, big and strong, or bad, or me and nobody, or my daughter and nobody. But you know, if you remember, say, yo, my head sick. You know, if you remember, say, yo, my head mad. I'm in a ramp. When time I come on to my daughter, I'm in a ramp. Anybody will know me. Worse in a Kingston, in a town, knows say I play with my daughter. I run joke. And no boy, no girl can say me ever molest a picnic. Come in and run them joke there. From a young and know myself, a one little girl me ever talk to, and that when time I got made the hype, when time I talk to a girl from Winston Jones. When me and her the same age. From a left mandible and come a town, and me I go down technical. Me not chat to look picnic. All of my woman, them are woman, they older than me. When time me are 16, 17, me I chat to woman we are 20, 22. Me not chat to look picnic. My woman right now, 8 years older than me. For sure, I say me not chat to look picnic. Me not look for look picnic. So when time China go come and talk about Karma go reach me and she go talk with me do. Me tell her last night you know on TikTok, you know, me say come talk with me do.
Oh God.
Me tell her, say come talk with me do. Where you go tell people say? You go tell people say you help me. You go tell people say you send money from foreign come give me. Cause if you go tell people that, me can you have to tell people, you have to go tell people say it did that happen before. Me did that do it before you start going foreign. Me did that do it for you, mommy. Me I take my last when time I get my pay. If me get 20 grand, me I send everything come a country come go no. And rough it out for the next 2 weeks until me get paid. Tell people them thing there. If it went there you gotta talk. Because I know I must tell something there you gotta talk. Say, help me.
Now, my people, what have me thinking, you know, is the whole black, you know, the whole black or me person mention and so forth. Isn't me and persons based on me the person, persons who made the person basically I talk about. Anyways, my people, would I like to hear the other side of the story? Would I like to hear the other side of the story? And please bear in mind that I'm only going by words of me the person say in the video. I'm not able to confirm if words said are accurate or so on. You understand me? I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person who was holding two objects. Was basically behaving certain ways towards law enforcers who were holding guns. Now, I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video recorded, viewers, subscribers, and I didn't get any confirmed information to determine what exactly happened to the person or how the whole situation might have turned out, you see me? But a part of the video shows when the person make a certain move that have me thinking, and I'm wondering if the person is okay or what, you see me? This one caught my attention. This person was basically holding two objects and I behave certain ways in front of law enforcers who were holding guns or have guns on them. Eh? High level of danger, I see this other people. Eh? Anyways, it's not really a long video. Take a look at it for yourself, my people. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Watch it. Watch it. Eh? Watch it. Me say my people, me say danger. Man, I wonder. Sometimes, when I see certain videos, I wonder about the mental health of some persons out there. I don't have any confirmed information to what exactly. I don't have any confirmed information to determine what exactly caused that type of situation, but my people. Yes, when I see that video, I wonder about that person's thinking, the person's mental health, cause that no look safe right there, so. Yeah, I wonder if that person alright still, my people. Yeah, man, I wonder, Anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?